అభిషేక్ అగర్వాల్, ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ గుడీ బ్యాగ్ అండ్ సిఇఓ. నేను ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో వేస్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కంపెనీలో ఒక అద్భుతంగా ఒక యాప్ లాంచ్ చేసినాము. వేర్ కామన్ పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ సొసైటీ క్యాన్ డౌన్లోడ్ దిస్ యాప్ అండ్ they can schedule a pickup and give their dry waste what is there in their house, and in exchange they'll get reward points, and with the reward points they can buy products, and with that products, what are the household products, they can buy all those household products, and they can also see that what is the amount of carbon footprints they are saving, how much trees they have saved, and what is the amount of garbage they are being producing every year to year, so they can reduce that material every year by year. So this is what Goodie Bag is doing. And last year we have collected 4 lakh kgs of plastic from the households, and we have reduced 13 lakh carbon footprints in the atmosphere, and 2,500 trees has been saved by the collection of the waste what we have done last year with only 3,500 households. So the mission of Goodie Bag is to make this as a movement, and in the coming years when we have 4,000 customers today with Goodie Bag family, so this year we are targeting around 2 lakh households that can join this movement and make this as a huge success, that when we are fighting towards plastic, that don't use plastic is going on landfills. So let's support that and make our own contribution. Each individual contribution is very big contribution. Don't think that what will happen if I give my waste, what will happen if I give only my waste. It is not only you. Collaborating with each and every household, that makes a big difference, and I think that is the biggest drive what we are doing in Hyderabad, and this drive will be continued throughout India, throughout the world, that the mission of Goodie Bag. With the support of all individual households, we can make this more bigger and more bigger. And with the support of my mentor and schools like Meridian, Banjara Hills, come together and make this as a very big movement. Government support, because we are a private company right now we are working with. So government will also support when we are doing much more good activities. Right now, when you see that today evening we are doing a event of awards, so many government people are also coming, IS officers are also coming, so we are getting the support from the government also. Thank you very much.
Andarki Namaskaram. My name is Dr. Rumana Sinha Sehgal. I am the founder of Serendipity. It's a social entrepreneurship enterprise. I'm here in the capacity as a mentor for Goodie Bag, which is an organization run by Mr. Abhishek Agarwal. My organization, Serendipity, is also the ecosystem enabler and the sustainability partner. I wish to congratulate the Goodie Bag team and the collaborating partner Meridian School, Banjara Hills. Thank you so much, Odita ma'am, for being here. It's an august privilege to actually get into a collaboration with Meridian School, Banjara Hills, with the kind approvals and proposals in place by the principal, Ms. Nishi Rana, who will be joining us in the evening for the first edition of Goodie Bag Awards 2024. And the whole purpose of having this initiative is to go ahead and recognize the people and the communities, the general households, people who have been plastic collectors, people who have been wildlife rescuers, as well as people in the general community working towards sustainability, as well as having a global impact category across various fields like journalism, social entrepreneurship, healthcare and services, peace impact. We will also witness the MOU being signed by Mr. Abhishek Agarwal, the CEO and founder of Goodie Bag, along with the principal, Meridian School, Banjara Hills, Ms. Nishi Rana. And it shall have a great collaboration, and we look forward to a sustainable future.
Hello everyone. Recently we had a session with Goodie Bag, and wherein we got the idea about the great initiative, which is actually a very insightful observation. And I should say this is the need of the hour, and I feel very privileged that our school, Meridian School, Banjara Hills, is the first school in the world which is going to join hands with Goodie Bags in this wonderful initiative. And I believe our children are going to be well aware about the need of the hour and also the remedy that we must take. The way Goodie Bag is rewarding people who are getting associated. I believe it's amazing, and more people in a very short period of time would join this regime, and definitely in a very short period of time we would be able to spread this message worldwide. Thank you so much.